Hello everyone, my Raptor is here. For today's video, we will discuss about rotation of curve. So, hello everyone. We will discuss about on how to rotate a given curve. So, for example, ang hyperbola, i-rotate natin siya in a certain degree. So, paano tayo makaka-arrive or derive ng ganung equation? Okay? So, mag-start tayo sa Cartesian plane. Okay? And this Cartesian plane, since, di ba, kapag rotate ang isang curve, we need to use the vector. Okay? So, let us add a vector. Sabihin natin yung vector na yan has certain length. Okay? So, for this diagram, kung makikita ninyo, 1 unit ang length niya. Okay? Now, notice this vector can be rotated, okay, in a certain angle. Okay? So, tatawagin natin yung angle na yun as angle phi. Okay? Now, this would be our initial vector. Okay? Now, yung magiging new vector natin, this is magiging new curve, magdadagdag tayo ng another angle. Okay? So, we need to add another angle and papangalan natin yan ng theta. Okay? Now, pangalan natin yung yellow vector. Okay? Yung yellow vector, sabihin natin is x naught, y naught. And yung new vector is x, y. Okay? Now, notice na yung length ng dalawang vector, they are equal. However, the direction of each vector, they are different. Okay? Now, mag-derive tayo. Okay? So, as you can notice sa yellow vector, nakabuo siya ng right triangle. Okay? Now, yung sabihin natin, yung length ng vector na yun is letter R. Okay? And for the x coordinate, okay, would be x naught. And the y coordinate, papangalan natin ng y naught. Okay? Now, balikan natin yung SOHCAHTOA. Okay, using SOHCAHTOA, we can express x naught and y naught into x naught is equal to r cosine phi and y naught is equal to r sine phi. Using SOHCAHTOA, ayan yung expression nila. Okay? Now, next tayo. Doon naman tayo focus sa red vector. As you can notice, yung red vector, pwede din siya mabuo ng right triangle na magta-touch doon sa x-axis. Okay? Now, pangalan ulit natin. Take note that the hypotenuse of the right triangle is same lang din sa length ng hypotenuse ng yellow vector. Okay? So, papangalan natin yung length na yun ng letter R din. Okay? The next, for the x coordinate, papangalan natin ng letter x. And for the y coordinate, papangalan natin y. However, kung nanonotice nyo, nagdagdag tayo ng angle theta. As you can see kanina sa animation. Okay? So, lumalabas ang total angle nung mismong right triangle na to is theta plus angle phi. Okay? Now, ipag-compare natin yung dalawang right triangle. Okay. Then, lagay natin yung mga corresponding parts or label. Now, focus tayo sa left side. Okay? Yung medyo malaking right triangle. Now, we can express both legs, which is x and y, into SOHCAHTOA. Okay? This is x is equal to r cosine theta plus angle phi, and y is equal to r sine theta plus phi. Okay? Now, focus tayo sa dalawang legs na yan. Now, ipag-solve natin sila ng sabay. Okay? Kaso paano? Using the angle identities, yung addition and subtraction of two angle, okay, pwede natin ma-express sila into this one. Note that cosine theta plus phi is equal to cosine theta, cosine phi minus sine theta, sine phi. Identity po yan. And sa kabila, sine theta plus phi, that is sine theta, cosine phi plus cosine theta, sine phi. Okay? Now, distribute natin yung letter R sa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? Now, as you can notice, R cosine phi and R sine phi, kung titignan nyo, pamilya. Tama? Which is, na-derive na natin yan kanina. Which is, R cosine phi is x naught and R sine phi is y naught. So, papalitan natin yung R cosine phi ng x naught and R sine phi ng y naught. Okay? Now, pag-combine natin yung dalawang equation, nakabuo tayo ng system of linear equation. Okay? In terms of x naught and y naught. Okay? Now, we can transform it, the system of equation, into matrices. Ganyan na siya. Okay? Now, this matrix is now called the rotation matrix. Okay? So, this rotation matrix would be very useful sa lahat ng application when it comes to rotation. Okay? So, for example, like, may given kang curve and merong given na angle of rotation, we can use this formula in order to create a new equation. So, let us solve one problem for this video para makita niyo application niya. So, determine the new equation given that the initial curve is x is equal to y squared, rotated 45 degree about origin. Okay? Now, since this is the initial curve, then we can set x as x naught and y as y naught. Okay? Now, using the rotation matrix, ito yung formula, right? Plug in yung theta ng 45 degree. Okay? Then, after nyan, isi-simplify pa natin sila. We already know that sine 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2 and cosine 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2 then. Okay? Now, sana aware din kayo kung paano mag-multiply ng 2 matrices. So, kapag i-multiply natin tong 2 matrices sa right-hand side, you will get this one. A system of equation. Okay? Now, focus tayo dito sa system of equation na to. Now, solve natin yung x naught, okay? So, as you can notice, pwede natin makancel ang y naught by adding the two system of equation. So, add natin yung dalawa. So, x plus y, that is equal to square root of 2 over 2 x naught plus square root of 2 over 2 x naught. Okay? As you can notice, parehas sila, same sila. We can combine like terms. So, simplifying the right-hand side, magiging x plus y is equal to square root of 2 x naught. Okay? Now, solving for x naught, by dividing by square root of 2, yan yung makukuha natin. Now, balik ulit tayo sa system of equation. Okay? But this time, ima-minus naman natin in order to eliminate x naught. So, in order to eliminate x naught, minus lang natin yung two system of equation. Magiging x minus y is equal to negative square root of 2 over 2 y naught minus square root of 2 over 2 y naught then. We can combine like terms. Makukuha natin is x minus y is equal to negative square root of 2 y naught. Solving for y naught, makukuha natin is negative x minus 1 all over square root of 2. Okay? Now, balik tayo doon sa nakuha natin initial curve. Okay, since x naught is equal to y naught quantity square is our initial curve, substitute lang natin yung nakuha natin. Then simplify. Take note, negative 1 quantity square, that is positive 1. So, bali makakancel lang din yung negative sign doon sa loob ng parenthesis. So, you will get this one. Okay? Now, simplifying by cross-multiplying square root of 2 sa taas. So, pwede na tong magiging final answer natin. Okay? So, therefore, the new equation when x is equal to y squared rotated 45 degree about origin is x plus y is equal to square root of 2 over 2 quantity x minus 1 or x minus y quantity squared. This would be our final answer. Now, as you can see sa animation na to, yung initial curve, this is white parabola, is being rotated about 45 degree, which is yung kulay yellow, will be the new curve. Okay? So, if you have any clarification or any suggestion for this video, feel free to comment down below and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.